Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I want to give a huge shout out to Dan for creating this really awesome but simple tool which is called Reframe. He made it entirely in Figma Make and he made it for the Figma Makeathon. And what this tool does, I'm just going to showcase it, is basically it allows you to upload images of your designs and just have them in a really nice formatted manner for all of these different social media channels, like for example, X or Instagram, X wide, an Instagram story or a reel, which is going to be a bit longer for Contra. And it's really easy to use. Like, for example, I'm going to go here and here are some, let's say, hero section designs that my team member has done. I'm just going to copy one of them. Let's say this last one. This is actually a framer template that we're working on. So I just paste it and I get this particular design in so many different formats, so many different designs. And I can just go ahead and choose the one that I really like and just post it directly. I mean, that's how easy it is. Like, for example, if I like, let's say this one. I can go ahead and I can adjust, let's say, the corner radiuses. I don't want the corner radiuses to be like this. If there's a particular section that I want to focus on, I can even zoom in and I can just like choose and rearrange this however I want. I can slightly rotate it as well if I want to. I mean, it's so easy and so simple to use. But that's the power of Figma Make and your creative ideas. Like, you don't have to be a hardcore developer now to create something useful. Like, even I myself, I could have done this potentially, but again, Dan did such an amazing job with this that now it looks so amazing. I mean, who actually can think this was directly made in Figma Make? Like, just check out the UI, how easy it is, how clear the user experience is. And if I actually just take one of my pages, like for example, this contact page, I'm going to copy it and I'm just going to come here and I'm going to paste it. I mean, just have a look at this. How amazing does it look? How easy it is to actually go ahead and just now create something like this. Maybe I can actually zoom in, zoom out, center it, so on and so forth. And once I'm done with it, I just export a 2x image of it. I can even copy this 2x image if I want to. I can paste it in Figma, or I can just directly go ahead and then paste it in one of the socials that I want to. So the reason why I wanted to create this video is not because of this tool just particularly, but it's also about the power that each and every one of us has to actually create something really awesome. The only thing that we need are great ideas that solve a particular pain point, and obviously the will to execute and the rigor to execute and go to the end. So I mean, shout out again to Dan, but I mean, I think this is an amazing tool. So do check out the tool and do start exploring tools like Figma Make, Cursor, so on and so forth, and stop being confined in the bubbles and only using other tools. Try creating something else for yourself as well and for others and solving pain points. So yeah, that's pretty much it.